Hello guys, so here we are again. I'm bringing more videos for you of our Brazilian culture, and today I'm gonna cook for you stroganoff. So we're gonna start with the onion. We're gonna have like half of this onion only and maybe 2 pieces of garlic. Actually, this is our base of Brazilian food. We always use these two combination for to make our sauces or anything we like to cook in Brazil. Gonna cut in small pieces, small cubes, and let's do it.
Thinking about what's mine, nothing to deny. Who's that other guy? Are you wasting my time? All these crazy fears that ends with bloody tears.
The next step is to put oil in some pan that we have. Usually we use this kind of black pan for to don't no get sticky. And I will first fry the onion. Later on I gonna cut in a small pieces like this kind of cut. For the chicken, I use always chicken breast for the stroganoff. Okay, remember that stroganoff is a Russian recipe, but in Brazil is very famous and we have our own version. And I cut all this chicken breast.
Life is all about time, feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's all about the mind. We'll be doing fine.
So frying all the garlic first with oil as I show you before. Later I gonna throw of course the onion as well, and that's how it should be. When it's at this point of the garlic and onion, I gonna put all our chicken pieces, and of course this is the time that I gonna put the salt. Later I put also some black pepper. We are used to use quinoa. Quinoa is like a chicken tablet with flavor, but anyway, it's up to you how you want to do it. This one is some cominho. I write down what's cominho in English. Okay, this is paprika and black pepper. So put a little bit of curry, not to be tasty but to be colorful. Gonna mix all up. After I fried a little bit with the chicken, I throw the water. I will not throw that much water, it's only for to cook. When it's a little bit cooked, I gonna throw the tomato sauce. Actually, this recipe in Brazil we make with tomato sauce, but I also love to put some mustard. Leaving for more or less 20 minutes until the chicken get cooked, and it's like this the results. Now, yes, after I cook very well, that's the time I throw up all the mustard. I can put more, but actually I don't have any more mustard in the house, so I put only what I have. So the thing is, less tomato sauce, more mustard. Okay, let's do it for your recipe. While I'm cooking that, I'm making our rice. Our rice, actually, we also put some garlic, cut garlic, and we try to fry a little bit the rice with oil before we put the water. So I just gonna smash some garlic piece and throw with everything, even the peel. Brazilian used to cut very teeny pieces, like very small, but this one is it's gonna be the taste the same. After it's all cooked, like 10 minutes more in the in the fire, medium fire, that's the time I'm gonna put also our um, milk cream. I'm gonna put 2 boxes of 200 grams, so it's gonna be almost half liter of milk cream. Look, so that's gonna be our stroganoff. I love it. It's like it's the really favorite recipe of Brazilian. Actually, it's not only pure Brazilian recipe dish. So that's the way it should look like this. Of course, how much more you leave in the fire, it will be less watery and a bit more creamy. I prefer more creamy, so I leave a little bit more, and or sometimes I put more milk cream. And let's build our plate. Usually we eat with white rice, as I put there for you to see. Our rice be a little bit more, not that much together, not that sticky rice. So our rice, because you put oil in the beginning, is in this is it's like this, the consistency. And now I put our chicken with sauce. This food is really amazing. You need to try, guys. And of course, potato chips. This is our secret here in Brazil. We always eat stroganoff with potato chips. And this is how we build our plate. Fame is how we ride. Life is all about time. Feeling like the world is beyond our sight. It's all about the mind. We'll be doing fine. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy our dish of Brazilian and famous Brazilian dish, actually. Thank you. Subscribe down below and like it for me.